Yeah, hi guys. This is Samit here from Shriram Properties, and I have been handling Remax account from last 1 year. And me, along with my colleague Sharath, he's a senior manager in training, corporate training. He will be conducting the training today for Shriram Renal Garden and Earth. Hello.
Yeah, you're audible.
Yes, Samit, we can hear you.
Okay. Sharath, you can take over. Probably we can start.
Wonderful. Wonderful. Thanks a lot, Samit. And thanks, Rida, for this opportunity. Hi, everyone. My name is Sharath, and I'm handling training and quality department for Shriram Pan India level for all the locations where Shriram is present and for all the customer facing departments as well. So the key agenda and the objective of my presentation is two opportunities that we have for you. One is Shriram Renal Gardens, and second thing is Shriram Earth. Both are of Mysore Road. That is, one is of Mysore Road and one is of Magadi Road. Both are towards the west of Bangalore. So before the screen sharing, I want to tell you something. So this is there are a number of confusions in real estate during the pandemic, like a number of people stating that this is not a right time in terms of investment. A lot of I would say a lot of confusions are existing in this particular market. So what we have seen is, because we are into apartment, that also both into affordable and luxury segment, we are also into plotted development. What we have seen is this is a very catchy market related to the plotted development sales that are happening from all the tier A developers, not only from Shriram. Let it be any developer, any tier A developer, any tier A developer. You go and ask them which is the best selling project, they would name the plotted development. And because of that, I take it as an honor to present this particular project with you. Without any further delay, let me share this particular screen, and please confirm whether you are able to see this.
Yeah, we can see this.
Wonderful, wonderful. Okay. So invest in the future, that is in West Bangalore. I'm presenting you two projects. One is Shriram Renal Gardens of Magadi Road, and the second project is Shriram Earth of Mysore Road. Both have different dimensions. If you are getting into a customer base where they are looking towards a medium size or a big size plotted development, Renal Garden is the actual fit for them. If it is, I heard someone was talking about, I'm getting a customer who's looking for 1,000 square feet or 1,200 square feet. For them, Shriram Earth will be the best suit. So I humbly request everyone to be on mute, and we will be more than happy to answer all the questions at the end of the presentation as well. So this is a pre-launch window for this particular project called Renal Gardens. The west is ready with the best. Just off Magadi Road, this is a 97-acre plotted development. Why I am giving a pressure when I'm talking about 97? Because this is the largest land parcel from a tier A developer in west of Bangalore. That is a first catchy point towards this one, because anyone who is getting into a plot development for an end use would be looking for an awesome community to stay. So this is ticking that particular box. If you are an investor who's looking for a big plotted development, this is ticking that box. The project in a nutshell, this is next located in the next big residential hub of Magadi Road at Tabarekere, one of the most lifestyle loaded plotted development in West Bangalore. A 97-acre, which is nestled, heaven nestled of Magadi Road, and already 1,000 plus existing happy families. That is, all together in 97-acre land parcel, we have 1,366. That is 1,366 plots, out of which already sold are 1,000 plus units. This is a ready to move in project. Why someone should get into Magadi Road investment? Strategic location with a mix of industrial and residential development, well connected to the key growth corridors such as ORR, Nice Road and Mysore Road, and upcoming metro, which will further optimize connectivity to the rest of the city. There are 4 key reasons why this is an apt fit for an investment. One thing is, it is an easy buy option, that is handpicked land parcels at a strategic location. Easy maintenance, that is, we are extending 3 years of professional maintenance guarantee across all the high quality infrastructure in the project. Easy ownership and easy exit policy with a resale assistance as well. But whenever I have handled a customer in Renal Garden or Shriram Earth, I have told them, even if the company will provide you a resale assistance, I can guarantee you that you need not come to me to ask for a resale assistance. Rather than this, there will be a huge demand in the market when you're talking about a 5-year down the line or a 10-year down the line. Because I hope everyone understands the truth that plotted development is not, even if you are an investor, it is not something that you buy for a sale after 1 year. One of the catchy points related to this particular project, it is having a 46% of open space, eco-friendly living, lush green avenue trees, and 15 plus parks across the layout. So these are a couple of pictures from the site. You can see you have beautifully landscaped parks, garden areas, temple spaces. You have a rock fountain, over tanks, and a center clock as well. Couple of more pictures. Entrance arch, you have landscape parks, boulevard spaces, and the rest you can see from the image itself. So again, I'm repeating it. This is a ready to move in project. Someone comes, buys a property, go into a registration and start the construction. Simple as that. Why West Bangalore is the best fit? There is a makeover story towards the West Bangalore. One is Kengeri Metro and Satellite Town, Biddi Smart City, and the Knowledge Park to be developed over 10,000 acre with an investment of close to 20,000 CR. Why it is an investment zone? I can just name a couple of them. Toyota, Kirloskar and Suzuki have done a joint investment of 25,000 CR, which will be giving an opportunity for 6,400 employments. Bosch have done a 600 crore with an employment scope of 2,600 more employees to that particular location. Britannia Innovation Center with a 200 CR that is providing an employment scope of 1,350 employees. Coca-Cola having a scope of 700 employees as well. Above all these particular factors, we also have a 6-lane expressway. The Bangalore-Mysore highway developed into an access-controlled 6-lane expressway, which connects Bangalore to Mysore in just 90 minutes. So all these things, what is these things talking about? These are the things that talks about why this particular location is an investment zone. Why you getting into this particular project will fetch you a wonderful ROI. So this is the location. So this falls in Tabragere. I will give you a better clarity. I'm not showing you a video as part of this thing. The reason is whenever I have done a video, n number of people, everyone may not be using a Wi-Fi. So it will be creating a stuck kind of a feel. So what I humbly request everyone is, if you want a clarity about the location, just browse in YouTube, Shriram Renal Gardens. You will get a clear-cut understanding about the location. There is a drone shoot of that particular project as well. Top schools in the vicinity, we have Sri Swami Narayana Gurukul International at 35 minutes away. NPS, that is National Public School, 40 minutes away. Baldwin's Co-ed School, 45 minutes away. Sri Aurobindo Memorial School, 40 minutes away. Guys, let me just adjust my screen. Okay, wonderful. And Malia Aditi International School, 50 minutes away. With respect to top colleges, we have National Law School, 35 minutes away, RV College, 35 minutes away, Ramaya Institute of Technology, Mount Carmel College, BMS College, and National College, all these things within a 30 to 45 minutes drive. About healthcare facility, we have Rajarajeshwari Hospital, BGS Global Hospital, Fortis Hospital, Dayanand Sagar and DG Hospital, all these things within a time frame of 30 to 40 minutes driveway. In terms of industrial and technology, I hope everyone will be aware of Bangalore. So from this particular site, Kengeri Satellite Town is 25 minutes drive. Global Village Tech Park is 35 minutes drive, and Bidadi Industrial Area is 45 minutes drive. In terms of shopping and leisure, we have Mantri Mall, ETA Mall, GT Mall, Decathlon, Gopalan Arcade, and Innovative Film City, all of these things within a 25 to 45 minutes drive. Now, with respect to hospital, with respect to colleges, with respect to schools, with respect to leisure and shopping, here all those things what I have named is brand things. Apart from brand names, there are n number of mid-level and above average kind of industries as well as complexes in that entire stretch. So for example, when I mentioned about hospitals, I may not be mentioning about small scale or mid-scale hospitals, which will be available within a very short distance itself. Another wonderful fact about this particular project is this is a location which is neighboring Nagarbhavi. So if you know Nagarbhavi in 2010 and 2008, it was a location which was sold for 1,000 to 1,500 per square feet maximum. And now that is a location which is scored at 8,000 per square feet on an average level. This is primarily a residential area in the western part of the city, located between Mysore Road and Magadi Road. With the livability score of 8.2, this area also offers buyers a well-developed social infrastructure and is especially known for housing some renowned educational institutes. As I mentioned, the current PSF is running at 8,000 per square feet on an average. Now, what are we looking ahead? What is the vision of this particular location or the entire development? So in terms of development also, the best part is there are government infrastructures coming up, plus because of that, there is a private infrastructure as well coming up. Tier A developers are also getting into this particular location. So what are these facts talking about? These facts are talking about expansion of Bangalore towards west of Bangalore. Now, in terms of plotted development, what are the two locations which are best for plotted development in Bangalore? One is North Bangalore and second is West Bangalore. So if you want to get into a North Bangalore, you know that you have to go for a huge amount in terms of investment. So now we are taking it with respect to West Bangalore. If you want to enter in a very easy manner at a low rate, West Bangalore with a wonderful ROI opportunity as well. The project is Renal Garden, and why someone should get into Renal Garden. This is a product presented to you by Shriram Properties in a long-term collaboration with SLV Developers. Now, under SLV Developers, this is the first plotted development that we are running, but we are not restricted to one. All the upcoming projects or the land parcels that SLV is owning, we will be the brand which will be promoting it, and we will be the brand which will be giving an assurance to each and every customer that we will be having. This is an approved, ready to move in plots under BMRDA MPA approval. And as I mentioned, this is a 97-acre land parcel. Why someone should get into this particular project at this time? Because this is a pre-launch window and we are offering 30% below the market price. I'll be talking about the price in upcoming slide, then you will get an idea. I will also talk about what are the trend related to the nearby locations. This is the master plan of this particular project. I mentioned about 97-acre land parcel, which we have split into 3 districts. One is investment district, second is boulevard district, and third is park district. Now you can see the phase 1 of this particular project is entirely sold out. Now we are with the rest of the plotted development, but these are not the leftovers. Understand this thing, because this is a new launch that we are coming up with, and the prices also differs as per the district, which I'll be talking about. So each district is having its own priority or its own key factors. Now, if someone is getting into boulevard district, they will be the people who want a location which is near to the grand entrance. If someone is getting into a park district, those are the customers who will be looking for a plot which is having a pretty decent greenery around and an open space. So we are ticking all the customer requirements. Why someone should invest in this particular project? Because this is a project which is surrounded by BDA's Kempagowda layout, a proposed smart city of 4,000 acres. And this is a project which is 97 acre of land with 1,366 plots in it. It is strategically located on Magadi Road, 25 minutes drive from Bangalore University, Nagarbhavi and Kingeri, well connected to all prominent places across Bangalore, and this offers dimension of 2,325 square feet and couple of odd sizes as well. This is loaded with lifestyle amenities. We have 25 plus amenities in this particular project. Let's talk about infrastructure. With respect to infrastructure, the entire cabling is underground. We have CC box type drainage, UGD connections to individual sites, and 24/7 security as well. With respect to leisure, we are coming up with swimming pool, indoor games, playground and kids park, clubhouse. Talking about the clubhouse, this is the largest clubhouse in the entire West Bangalore, because this is having a 54,000 square feet of clubhouse, which is a G+2 structure. This is also having temple space, which we have dedicated 7,000 square feet of the land area. And this is having, as I mentioned, 15 plus parks and landscape places. Another 5 reasons why someone should get into Renal Garden. One thing is trust, because the entire land titles are clear with respect to the paperwork, and you get what you have promised, because I'm not showing you a dream that something will come. What it's there in the project, it's there. It's an approved project by BMRDA and MPA. In terms of higher return, how I can promise you a higher return? Because a branded property gets better return than a non-branded one in the same locality. Thorough research has been done before investing in the project from the builder also, and a better quality project. And I have also I request Ankit to go on mute, please.
Yeah.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. With respect to amenities and infrastructure, we are providing a world-class amenities, infra development and maintenance, 24/7 security, and well-maintained gardens, landscape, clock towers, bus stands, temple, etc. Because if you are a person who have visited the project, you can feel it, because it has been completely maintained under supervision. And timely delivery, because there is no concept of like delayed delivery and all, as I have already mentioned that this is a ready to move in project, and easy financing as well. We are having a flexible EMI options, tie-ups with all the reputed banks, and affordable interest rate as per the current market scenarios. Let me show you a couple of the pics from the site, the latest ones. So we have this particular area, which is the landscape paths with rock fountain. You have Hanuman idol. You have overhead tank. Overhead. To be on mute, please. Wonderful. Thanks a lot, Sandhu. So this is also having 2 water tanks, that is overhead water tanks. Now in the picture, you can see 1 overhead tank. Like the same thing, we also have 1 more overhead tank in the project, each having a capacity of 12 lakh liters. Now you have the center landscape spaces as well with boulevard. This is the entire landscape for the project. You can see how beautifully this is designed and maintained. So this is the entire project, the 97-acre land parcel. You can see how well the roads have been maintained and how wide the roads are. The bus shelters, kids play area, sewage treatment plant, the grand entrance of Renal Gardens. Now, any customer will be going for a competition analysis. So let me tell you, there are no competitions for this particular project. The reason is the only tier A developer in that the location is which is sharing boundary with Renal Garden is Salarpuria People Tree, but they are also left with only limited plots. So they are in the last phase of closure, and all the other builders are either tier B, tier C, or a pure local builders. So in terms of Renal Garden, you have competitions with Green Valley Address, Mantri KNS, Karika, Salarpuria People Tree, and KNS Ojas as well. So in terms of largest project, we are ticking the box. In terms of the largest clubhouse, we are ticking the box. But you also have few projects which is not at all having clubhouse. In terms of open space, we are ticking the box. In terms of best price in the market, we are ticking the box. And the maximum number of amenities, that is what we are offering, which is 25 plus. Now getting into the exciting factor, that is the pricing of this particular project. I've showed you the master plan. In the master plan, there are three districts altogether. One is investment district, second is park district, and third is boulevard district. Investment district for a 2, 3, 2, 5 square feet of plot, the base rate is 1683. And for a same size plot in a park/boulevard district, it will be 1890. So the entire marketing what we are doing is you can own a 2325 square feet of plot at a 44 lakh starting. This is about Renal Gardens, guys. Now let me talk about the second opportunity. I think like someone okay. Now let me talk about the second opportunity. I believe you are really amazed, or you are having that confidence that the first opportunity that I have shown you is something that can be sold from each and every one of you. Now talking about the second opportunity with this particular company, that is the second opportunity, Shriram Earth, the plotted development of Mysore Road. So the SLV, that is the Renal Garden, is of Magadi Road, and this is of Mysore Road. Now, with respect to the location, with respect to the how well this location will be in future, both the explanation are same. Now, imagine you are having a plotted development or a plot which is 10 minutes away from Big Banyan Tree, which is near to Rupees Resort, which is near to Decathlon, and you get a view of countryside and yet close to all the convenience of the city. That is what we are asking is for you to be smart. Residential plotted development located in a quiet environment of the historic Bangalore Mysore highway, away from the chaos of the city and yet minutes away from economic and social infrastructure. Why someone should invest in this particular project? Because you're not only the one who is investing in the project, the entire government is investing in this particular location. Big shots in the private sector and investing in the particular location. So you are not alone in terms of investment. Invest in the future Bangalore, a leading real estate investment. Mysore Highway, an emerging growth corridor. Properties of the highway have witnessed great appreciation over 3 years. With respect to upcoming infrastructure, we have 8-laning of Bangalore-Mysore Highway, including the service. Phase 3 extension of Bangalore Metro Rail to Nice Peripheral Road. Elevated highway from Sirisiri Circle to Kengeri. Nice corridor between Ramanagaram to Mysore. And a 1,000-acre high-tech corridor between Magadi Road and Mysore Road. So this actually backs up the statement that I have told you at the initial stage, which is you're not only the one who is investing in this particular project. This is a project which have shown a wonderful success in the portfolio of Shriram. We have sold 250 plus plots in the first 3 weeks of the pre-launch window itself. Overall, this particular project is having 381 plots where we have sold 300 plus plots. Now, this is a time where we are releasing the management plots which were booked, the premium plots at a wonderful price tag to each and every customer who is showing interest for this particular project. Why someone should invest in Mysore Road? Great connectivity with high employment and low density, set in nature's lap, tucked away from the hustle of the city, well connected to educational institutions, hospitals, tech parks, and environmental zones. What are the upcoming infrastructure in this particular project, which is the same as what I have mentioned under Renal Garden? They are Kengeri Metro, Biddi Smart City, 8-lane expressway, and STRR. In a nutshell about the project, this is a 20-acre land parcel, a pristine paradise of Mysore Road, which is accommodating 381 plots, state-of-the-art infrastructure and lifestyle amenities as well. And in terms of landmark, this is a 10 minutes drive from Doddalamara, which is the Big Banyan Tree, and a 10 minutes drive from Decathlon. Close to nature, close to the world. Wide range of plot sizes available. Lifestyle amenities like amphitheater, basketball court with approximate of 40% of open space and a guaranteed maintenance of 5 years. So for Renal Garden, we are providing a guaranteed 3-year maintenance, and for this particular project, we are providing a guaranteed 5 years maintenance. Now, I want to introduce the master plan with you. So this is the master plan. We have 30-40, 30-50, and 40-60 land parcels, which we have named as Optima, Ultima, and Lux. So in terms of amenities in this particular project, you can see the entrance is at the top. So once someone entered to this particular project, towards their left side, you get a volleyball court, amphitheater, basketball court, kids play area, types of gardens, pet park, civic amenities, and different other types of parks as well, which is mentioned in 1011, which is at the bottom right of your screen. So this is also having a very good infrastructure and a quality. Why someone should invest in this particular project? One is trust from the builder, clear land titles and paperwork. You get what you have been promised, and this is registered with RERA and bound with the straight guidelines set by the authority. In terms of higher return, I have already told you all the upcoming infrastructure which will give a high boom related to the ROI expectations. And in terms of amenities and infra also, we are ticking because we provide world-class amenities, infra development and maintenance, and 24/7 security with well-maintained gardens. In terms of delivery, we will be providing a timely delivery, well-funded and efficiently managed, which ensures no project delays. Here we are having home loan availability as well at ease, lowest EMI possible rates as per the current market scenarios, tie-ups with reputed banks, and affordable interest rates as well. So what are we getting into? The micro market has seen a growing demand, but no tier A developer to match the supply of the growing need. There are a lot of local builders, a lot of confusions in that West Bangalore, if you can see. Like a number of people are looking ahead in terms of investing, but they don't trust the local builders. They are thinking that I have come across a number of customers who have told me, like, Sharat, the only reason I am not investing is I don't believe that will all the paper, entire titles, everything will be clear or not. I don't want to get into a legal case after my investment. I don't want to get that kind of a headache. So this is where we stand in terms of the promise and the providing factor. In terms of the location, the bold line that you can see, the red one at the center, is the Mysore Road. So this is, and the Big Banyan tree has also been marked. This is also nearing Kanchanabally Reservoir. So because of which water, nothing to be worried about. So this is approximately 9 kilometers away from Mysore Road, and the project Renal Garden was around 2 to 2.4 kilometers away from Magadi Road. In terms of connectivity, it's having a great connectivity with 15 minutes to Bangalore-Mysore highway, 25 minutes you have Kengeri Metro, 30 minutes you have Nice Road, and 30 minutes you have Bidadi Industrial Area. In terms of social infrastructure, education, NPS, SFS, Rajarajeshwari Engineering College, Rajarajeshwari Medical College, ICFAI Business School, Sri Swami Narayana International School, Don Bosco, Christ PU, Vivekananda Institute of Technology, all within 15 to 30 minutes drive. And in terms of health, you have Rajarajeshwari Hospital and BGS Global Hospital within 20 to 30 minutes drive. And with respect to business and industrial parks, we have Global Village Tech Park, Bidadi Industrial Area, Kumbalgodu Industrial Area, all within 15 to 35 minutes drive. In terms of shopping, we have Decathlon and Gopalan Arcade at 20 to 45 minutes drive. And in terms of leisure, we have Wonderla, which is 20 minutes drive, Innovative Film City, Big Banyan Tree, Manchanabally Reservoir, all within 10 to 20, 30 minutes drive. So it is ticking all the boxes. If you are a person who's looking for a long-term investment, let me tell you, these are the projects that you have to get into. If you're a person who is looking into getting into a plotted development and constructing a house so that you can be an end user of it, this is a wonderful project, because end of the day, why someone want to get into own construction, own house and all? One thing is privacy. Second thing is the power that a particular individual gets. And third thing is surrounded by greenery or the freedom to construct. This thing is ticking all the boxes. Let me get into the product. It's a 20-acre land parcel, amenity-rich paradise, best-in-class infrastructure, and this is in nature's midst. We have 9-meter and 18-meter roads, wide blacktop roads with dedicated pathways, landscaped gardens with tree-lined avenues, underground cabling for power and water, no need for digging and laying, streetlights that are energy-saving and bright, secured gated entry and exit, and sewage treatment plant and overhead tank as well. So these are the projects for which you need not be worried about any kind of amenity no worry related to the water problem that majority of the Bangaloreans face, no tensions related to the trust factor that you will be having when you get into a business, let it be as an investor or let it be as an end user, because this is a market where in today's time you don't have any end user. Even if I want to construct, I also look ahead for the investment growth, that potential in that particular location. 18-meter main roads with street lightings, landscaped medians, and 9-meter wide sub-roads. Grand entrance in terms of utility, water supply with OHT, rainwater harvesting, sewage treatment plant, underground electrical lines with plumbing lines to the plot. And as I've already mentioned, this is having an approximate of 40% of open area. To name a couple of amenities, we have amphitheater, pet park, senior garden, landscaped gardens, underground cables, rainwater harvesting, infra and maintenance, 24/7 security, gardens and greenery. Key USP of this particular project are location and the product. And if anyone is looking for a particular project and if it is the plotted development, let me tell you, location. It is actually focused towards location, and it is ticking that box. A location that has a tremendous growth potential, great connectivity to upcoming and social infrastructure, and in terms of the product, a solid product design and infrastructure, excellent infrastructure and specifications at a right price. Altogether, this is a particular project. This is a plug and play model. That is, in this entire land parcel, let it be Renal Garden, let it be Earth, you own a plot. You need not dig or you need not go for any new connections. Entire thing has been set up. You just get into an agreement, you start your construction. Why to invest in Shriram Earth? I'm just giving you n number of reasons for investing in Earth as well as Renal Garden. For Earth, low ticket sizes, flexible exit options, high appreciation, efficient, that is almost entire investment value towards cost of land, and lack of tier A developer in West Bangalore market with low maintenance and easy exit policy with the company. So here I introduce the cost sheet of this particular project. So this particular project is offering 1,200, 1,350 and 1,500 square feet of plots with a base price of 1,500 and 1,599 respectively. So if you can see, in 1,200 we have differentiation. You have classic plots and you have also premium plots. So if it is a classic plot, it is a 1,500, and if it is a premium plot, it is a 1,599 PSF. And elite plots are at 1,500 and Ultima plots are at again 1,500. On and above that, there will be a couple of premium charges as per your selection, but end of the day, you can own a plot in Shriram Earth at 23 lakhs. That is a total cost I'm talking about. I'm not talking about the starting price. I'm talking about the total cost of the particular plot. So it starts at 23 and everything is within 30. So if you are getting a customer who's looking for a plot within 20-30 lakhs, this is the project, guys. And if someone is looking for above that and is having that kind of a budget and want to get into a very strategic location and want a very good appreciation or a very good convenience with respect to community building or end user perspective, Renal Garden is the actual fit. I have given you a lot of reasons to invest in Renal Garden as well as Shriram Earth. Do you need more reasons to invest in the plot? Yes. We are having a 1585 payment plan. That is, you pay 15% now and nothing for next 6 months. So it is not a loan bound offer, guys. You pay 15%, that's all done. And after 6 months, you get into a loan and then you start your loan and all. So even if you are getting into this agreement now, you will be actually getting into the payment hassle only after 6 months. But after 6 months, so now a customer will say that, okay, I will go and come back after 6 months to get it. Anyway, I'm paying only after 6 months. But I hope you know it. Inventory as well as price will not be the same at that time. Simple as that. In a nutshell, a ready reckoner for both the projects. Shriram Earth of Mysore Road, plot sizes ranging from 1,200 to 1,500 square feet at a starting price of 23 to 28 lakhs. Shriram Renal Garden of Magadi Road with a plot size of 2,325 square feet at a starting price of 44 lakhs. And what is the offer going on, guys? Pay 15% now, get into an agreement, and nothing for the next 6 months. That's all from my side, guys. I hope everyone enjoyed the presentation as well as the projects that has been showcased. I think like Samit is also available, and we are open for any questions if you have. Otherwise, I wish you all the best. Over to Sridhar.
Thank you so much, Sarath. It was a wonderful presentation. We had a very good insight about what you have presented. We'll just keep it open for about 2-3 minutes for people to start asking questions. And if there are no questions, then we can continue our discussions, and we'll thank Mr. Sarath and Mr. Samit coming. So anyone has got any questions to ask? So Manjunath?
The question I'm expecting is, can I bring customers today or tomorrow?
Yes. Yes, that's right. So any questions, friends? No, nothing. So I think everybody is clear now. I think, okay, Mr. Sarath and Mr. Samit, thanks for your visit, and we are very extremely thankful to you. And in case we require any more support, help, and all that, we'll be in touch with you.
Sure. Thanks a lot. Thanks everyone for your patience. Thank you.
Thanks, sir.
Okay, friends. Now what we do is, I will just post one in the chat box, one small questionnaire for you to reply. Take about 5 minutes time to reply, go through the questions. If you have any doubts in those questions, answer me. This is related to Shriram project only. Just click this form and then, fill up the answers and submit it online. Okay, just click this form in the chat box, which I have put across, and then start responding to that. And then we'll get into a discussion of that. So I'll see how many people are responding here. I'll get an instant response here once you submit. I'm just, this is a questionnaire seeking, everybody to tell me what kind of support you are requiring from Remax. So just answer those questions. Hope all of you are going through that. Manjunath, is the form visible?
Yes, sir, it's visible, sir.
Okay. Those who don't want to answer any question, you can leave it blank. So I will understand. If the answer is blank, I will understand. Still more people are entering. I've just got about 5 responses so far. 6. It's now 6. Eight people have responded. Still we have about 6 more. Nayaz, Ashish, Kantra, Chandrasekhar, Anand, Samir, Shailendra, Ravindra Kumar. These are the people who have answered. The rest of the people are still working on it. Six more people. Still standing at 8 only. So it's become now 5. Masood, Yaman, Suraj, Kian, Inam, Ashok, Ashish, Bansal. What is this? These are the people I think who have still not responded.
हे कोणाचं आहे? माझं.
No, it's not moving at all. It's still standing at 8 people only. What should I understand from the silence from all of you? Didn't see the questionnaire. Okay, I'll put again once again in the chat box. So I put the question. So see the form. Fill up this form. I posted this form. Click this form and then reply. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 responses have come. No. Okay. So I think we will now get into some discussion. Okay. Now the fact of the matter is, each one of you have shown interest in learning. And when I look at the question on, do you have ready customers in hand? Most of them have said no. Do you have? Yeah, I'll share the screen so that everybody can see. Okay. What kind of responses I've received, you see. Can you see this screen? Manjula, is my screen available, visible?
Yes, sir. Visible.
Okay. So now you see people who have asked for support. Some people have not responded anything for support requirement. Conversion is one support. Somebody, as I said, marketing skills, marketing and lead generation, training, guidance, lead generation, nurturing, everything. Who is this everything? Okay. Fine. So do you want to join, do you want to learn Facebook? Most of them have said yes, and 2 people have said maybe. Do you want to join different different groups in in Facebook? One person has said no, one person has said maybe, one person has not replied. The rest of the people said yes. So do you want training? Option 1 means this is yes. Okay, this is yes only. I think yes or no got missed out. Are you ready to spend money on Facebook? 2, 3 people have said no, and 1 person no reply. Rest of the people have said yes. Do you have ready customers? Only 1 person has said yes. Let us see who is that person who said yes. Chandrasekhar is the only person who said yes. He has got ready customers. Will you work for getting 5 customers in 10 days time? Everybody has said yes. 1 person said no. Who is that person? Yogendra Babu has said no. You will not work, is it? Yogendra Babu work ಮಾಡಲ್ವಾ ನೀವು? ಇಲ್ಲ by mistake ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಆಗಲಿ? Okay, then next question is, do you have 99 acres package? Only 2 people have said yes, and rest of the people have said no. Do you have magic bricks? 1 person said yes, rest of the people said no. Do you have OLX package? 2 people said yes, rest of the people no. So do you have any other online portal? Everybody said no. Do you have LinkedIn account? 2, 3 people said yes, rest of the people said no. Do you have Instagram? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 people have said yes. 2 people no reply. No, 4, 5 people said yes, but rest of the people no. Do you have YouTube channel? No. No by everybody. If training is offered on all the above, are you ready? Everybody has said yes. So that's good. So people are, you have the habit of learning. If the training timings are 9, is it okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 people have said yes. 1, 2, 3 people have said no. What is the alternate time? Each one has given different time. 6:30 a.m. is 1 person. 4 p.m. is 1 person. 11:30 a.m. is 1 person. 9 p.m. 1 person. 12 noon 1 person. 3 p.m. 1 person. 11:30 a.m. 1 person. That means 11:30 a.m. I've got 2 people saying yes. Okay. So then when it comes to Facebook ad spending, most of the people have said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people have said 2,000, less than 2,000. 1 person, 5 plus 2, 7 people have said less than 2,000. 1 person has said 2,000 to 5,000. 1 person has said 5,000 to 10,000. So how many site visits you want to sell? 1 person has said 10 to 20. Another person has said 20 and above. 1 person has said 5 to 10. And most of the others have said 2 to 5. Okay, this is the snapshot of people who have said that. Fine. Okay. See, there are 2 objectives for me to conduct this program. This initiative of calling people and making you all attend this program and then move forward. First objective is that all of you and we together, we work together and then sell a Shriram project. So this is so that what happens, the brokerage that we get will be on the higher slab, and each one of you will get a better brokerage than when you go independently and start working with them. So when you independently go to Shriram and say that I am willing to sell your project, they will not give you as an individual person, channel partner. Reason number one for that, they will give only if you have RERA license. So if you have RERA license, you can independently go to Shriram and sell this project. Otherwise, you cannot sell because they will ask for the RERA license. How many of you are aware of it? Can you all say yes, you are all aware of it? Or you are not aware of it? Just say, if you are aware of it, you say yes, I am, yeah, yes, correct. You are all aware of it. So that fear need not be there because we have a RERA license. So we as Remax people have tied up with them as channel partners. And since we have RERA, you all can work under our group and then we can sell the project. So that is the thing. Second thing is that when as a group, when we sell more, the brokerage slab also increases. Supposing all of us put together are able to sell more than 15 sites for them, all of us put together, we will be getting 5% brokerage. Okay. In that 5% brokerage, there is always a sharing that because Remax is getting involved, we get into sharing pattern. Supposing you go individually and ask for, even if you have RERA license, they will give only 2%. 2 or 2.5% maximum they will give. That is the best brokerage that they can give for one site sale and 2 site sales and all that. Here, supposing you are selling one site, another person is selling one site, another person is selling one more site, all put together is taken as total brokerage value. Okay, so in which case we get 5%, which is being shared between us. Okay, so that's the advantage of working as a group. Second objective of me conducting this group meeting is when you are about to sell, sell and then brokerage is about to be released, you should be a part of Remax person. Okay. Remax has got certain terms and conditions. How many of you are aware that Remax has got certain terms and commercial terms and all that? You have to pay money and then join and all that. How many of you are aware? I'm not asking for money now. Don't worry. I just want to know whether are you all aware of it. So 2020 is saying, not what is the 2020? Who is 2020? What is your name? 2020? $2020 is a name. Nikhil. Okay. Yeah. Can you just all put how many of you are aware that you are you have to pay money and then join Remax and all that? Investment is there. And how many of you are not aware? Only one person is not aware. Okay, what should I understand from other people not responding? Are you aware? I am not Remax. If I have customer, can I get commission? Yeah, you can. You can get commission. But before commission is being released, you should become a part of Remax. Okay, I'll tell you what are the conditions for that. Kian Inam is not aware. Okay, then who else is not aware? So I've got 2 people who is not aware of Remax terms and conditions. Can I have more response? Please be open in saying that yes, I know or I don't know. You can say that. I don't know. Okay. 78F08801. Idi yaridu? 78F08801. Name 3F65C179. That is Shailendra. Okay. 78F08801 is Shailendra. Okay. So a lot of people do not know about Remax. That there is system. Okay. My next question is about Remax. Okay, do you know that there is a company called Remax and Remax is into broking firm? About Remax, are you all aware of? Yes, yes, yes. Adan heli. Yes, no, yes, no. Are you all aware of? ಎಸ್ ನೋ ಎಸ್ ನೋ. ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ಬರೆದವರೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿ, ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆಯಾ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತ. ನೋ, ನಾಟ್ ಮಚ್, ನಾಟ್ ಮಚ್. ನೋ. CS Naidu says yes because you are part of Remax. No. Suraj says yes, I know. Girish says yes, I know. Okay. So, but there is a lot of people who are not aware of Remax. Okay. Now I am going to explain to people about Remax in a nutshell. In a nutshell, I am going to explain. Please listen to this carefully. What is this Remax all about? Okay. Remax is an international broking firm. Okay. We have got 8,000 offices all over the world, and 135,000 agents are part of Remax. Okay. Now, if you are a part of Remax, sitting here, you can do business anywhere in the world because you can network with that person and do it. We have got excellent app systems. Okay, Shailendar, hello, Taidira. Shailendar, ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ see, is Kannada okay, or shall I can speak in Kannada also? Is Kannada okay, or shall I speak in English? English, Kannada. EK ಅಂತ ಬರೆದ್ಬಿಡಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಅದು ಮೆಜಾರಿಟಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾನು I will answer. EK. I'll see the majority and see English.
Kannada ಗೊತ್ತು ಸರ್.
ಇಲ್ಲ, how many, whoever says EE means then if everybody says majority is English, then I'll go ahead with English. So I have got 2 Ks and rest of the people 3 Ks. Okay, majority English. Majority is English. So I'll go ahead with English. Okay. So now I'm going to tell you about Remax in a nutshell. Okay. Remax is a international company, number one. It is based in US. It started in 1973. That means 47 years of experience this company has got. Remax has got in real estate. We have got 135,000 agents all over the world. By joining Remax, you have the advantage of selling properties anywhere in the world. Sitting here, you can sell even property in Delhi, Calcutta, Bangalore, Tamil Nadu, Canada, US, New Zealand, anywhere you can sell. How to sell antandre adakala bandu techniques alla ide. Okay, we are very very strong in technology. Nammal mobile app ide, CRM ide, then you have got Max Center anta design tools anta ondide. Ee Max Center alli ಏನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ you can create a poster of any property within 2 to 3 minutes. 2 to 3 minutes ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Poster ready ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, flyer ready ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Okay, ಮತ್ತೆ virtual tour link ready ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Okay, ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ, so that you will get an idea of how it is going to be ಅಂತ. ಈಗ ವಿಸಿಟಿಂಗ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಒಂದು ವಿಸಿಟಿಂಗ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ it will take only 2 minutes to make a visiting card, digital visiting card, and it will be like this, something like this. ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲಿ ನೋಡಿ. See once more. Okay, that is one. Then next the poster creations ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇದೊಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನೋಡಿ. See, this is a poster which can be created in about 2 minutes time. The poster ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, with the persons, your photo, your photo can come, your name, your designation, company, phone number, ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಪೋಸ್ಟರ್ನ ನೀವು within 2 minutes create ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Just it will take 2 minutes, that's all. Third one is ಇದಲ್ಲ, not this. I'll tell you. Show. No. You see this, how beautifully it will keep moving on its own. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ photograph, your designation, everything will come here. ಈ photo ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದು ನೀವು ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಇಮೇಜಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನ we can send it in this manner, just as a link. And then the detail of the property will be available like this. ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು details ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು, we can get the details. Otherwise this property, this kind of movement irutte. Okay, so these are the plus points of getting associated with this, which you will get a tool of that. CRM irutte, idella irutte nimatra. Okay, so now I want some of you to speak to me now. Let me speak to Girish Babu. Girish Babu, can you unmute yourself? Yes, Girish Babu. Girish Babu?
Yeah, tell me, sir. Tell me, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, tell me, sir.
How did you?
Hello, tell me, sir.
Yeah. How did you like this? Whatever I showed you just now.
Yeah, okay, sir. Yeah, everything is fine.
Professional? Is it very professional?
Yeah, okay, sir. Yeah. Yeah, sir. Yeah, sir. Very good, sir.
Okay.
We will show that ID card is there's enough.
That's enough, no?
There's more.
That is enough.
Yeah, there's enough.
So these are the advantage of joining Remax. Okay. So the more details I'll give you about Remax when we decide on the training program. I'm going to conduct a training program on, many people have asked, Facebook ad creation and all that. Okay. I will get into a discussion with all of you. I have got your numbers, your email IDs and all that. And we will arrange a special training program where in one day, about 3 hours we will spend and everything we will learn about it. 3 hours you should be ready to spend. Okay. Otherwise what will happen? Every day, 7 days it will take. Instead of that, I will conduct one day, 3 hours training program for all of you on Facebook ad creation, Facebook group formation, and all that. Okay. So somebody is asking what is the sharing between 5% and all those things. Yeah, I will tell you about that. Just hold on. Tomorrow or day after tomorrow, we'll meet up again, once again, all these 15-20 people. And then I'll give you more details about Remax and then get into customer acquisition, how to do that. And by next week, we should be ready with customers and closing. We should do like that. So we'll work on that. Wait for my further messages. Okay, thank you for being a part of this program. Thank you.
Thank you.
All the best. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.